Good evening, friends. This is Mamo. I'm going to be making some caramels. In my pan, start off with a heavy bottom pan, 2 sticks of salted butter, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of Karo syrup, now we're going to turn this the burner on medium, and we're going to leave it there because you can't turn it up and down because it'll make the candy just go wrong. So just leave it on medium and let it come to a boil. And once this comes to a rolling boil, you want to boil it for 10 minutes. And you want to stir it every once in a while so it doesn't stick, but not constantly. And now that it's boiled for 10 minutes, I'm going to add, just a little at a time, carnation evaporated milk, and it takes 2 cans of evaporated milk. Just a little at a time. Yeah, it's getting to where I can pour it in without it rolling up. And remember, don't turn your heat up and down. Leave it on medium the whole time. Now we're going to bring that back to a boil. Attach your candy thermometer to the side of, oh, dropped it in there. Gosh. Let me fish it out. Oh me. Where'd it go? There it is. I'll get this fixed and I'll be right back. Now we've got it. And don't let the thermometer touch the bottom of the kettle. You'll get a false reading. And now that it's come back to a boil, you want the candy thermometer to reach between 240 and 245, or a soft boil stage in cold water. It's changing colors, looking really pretty. This is a time-consuming candy here, but you gotta have patience with it. It's just about there. And this is a stage that you need to stir often because it's going to stick, because it's getting heavy and syrupy and sticky. So be careful and don't let it stick. Now it's a little bit more. It's on 230 right now. It needs to go to 240 or 245. It's just a few minutes, been up to 240. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to pour it up in the dish. And now I'm going to let it cool, and then I'll cut it in squares. Now it is cool, I'm going to try to cut it out. What you want to do is get you a long knife and either put cooking oil on it or butter or something similar to keep it from sticking. You want to go clean cuts all the way across. You want to cut it all like that. Make sure you keep your knife oiled. I'll be right back. Now I have some cut up in little squares like that. And you want to cut you some wax paper pieces about like that. We're going to lay it in there. Wrap it. And twist it at both ends. Like that. And here you go. This recipe makes a 9 by 13 pan, so it's a lot of caramel to wrap. So I got a lot of wrapping to do. So y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching.